Siguro alam naman ng lahat na ako'y anak ni... I have the family background and the qualification to run as president of the student council.
Yes, but first, kailangan manominate ka.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes.
And I therefore respectfully nominate myself, Shiloh Gonzalez, to run as the official president of the student council. And I move that the nominations be closed, and I therefore second the motion.
Are there any objections?
Kahit sino ma-object dyan, hindi ko aatrasan. Ikaw, Michelangelo. Baka gusto mong tumakbo.
Hindi mo yan, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Ikaw, Rafael, baka may ambisyon ka.
Wag na, ikaw na lang. Nasa dugo mo naman eh.
Pare, teka lang.
Ay, ma'am.
Nasa loob.
Vincent, do you object?
Vincent, anong ibig sabihin nito? Kukontrahin mo ako?
Hindi.